So let me explain you how you can create the hierarchy manually. So here you have a state. Okay, first you have a country, then you have a state, then you have a city. So in the more options, you just click on this. Here you have an option called create hierarchy. So once you click on that create hierarchy, so it will automatically create a hierarchy here. Just give 1 or 2 seconds. Yeah, you can see a country hierarchy. Once you open it, there is no value inside this, like you have only one hierarchy there. So inside the country there will be a state, obviously. So let me click on this, and here you get an option called add to hierarchy. So let me click on this. Now it will add to the hierarchy. So country and then state. Similarly, you can add the city hierarchy also. Click on add to hierarchy and click on add to country hierarchy. So you get country, state and city. So this is how you can create a hierarchy.